Hello guys, I am the Bird Boy, and welcome to One Late Night. I got my buddy over here.
Just call me Dunkle.
His name is Dunkle. And we're gonna be playing some One Late Night with no sound. I hope you all enjoy. Dun, dun, dun.
It'll take a minute.
Linda Hart. Received at 22:45. Okay, I will see you soon. Set 23:59. Hey, sorry, but I will be later than expected. Not sure, but I will call you when I'm home. Phew, I am exhausted. Time to check if coffee's ready. Time to check if coffee's ready. Oh, I just said that. Thought that was in between my legs, but okay. What the heck?
Sorry, bless you.
Thank you. These are the controls. You can't see them. No! Gotta go see if coffee's ready. Robert's office. I wonder where he went. One day he's here and suddenly just vanishes and stops coming to work. Don't know anything about this Robert guy.
I wonder.
Time to check if the coffee is ready. Oh, I better get back to work.
That's really cheesy.
And alright. Oh! Why doesn't the coffee spill? Oh! I guess the coffee sucks. What's this? I see you.
I know you see me.
Yeah. When did I type this? I don't know. Whoa. Haha, I got a pen. I'll write all over you. I'm rushing to write you a check. Okay, so now we... Oh. That was bright. What do we do now?
I guess when you hold everything in this game, it looks totally screwed up.
Look at my middle finger is like crooked.
It seems like you broke it.
Holy crap! Whee!
Where'd your legs go?
Oh my god! Oh! Metal. I wonder what to do. Okay.
See, I like the way how your hand glitches through the door.
I like how I can't see my feet. I'm a ghost. Ooh.
With your screwed up fingers. Check that little office area right there.
Wasn't that just closed?
Yeah.
Let's go anyway. Ah, who ate the key? Oh, Robert's key. Alright.
Well, apparently Robert ate the key.
Up, wait. There we go. Whoa! There's something in here. She has done very bad things, Robert.
That's kinky.
Cause that ain't strange at all. Oh. Robert sure has some demons. ...
Oh, hey, my phone.
Who is he talking about? Can I move? It just said, I see you. Okay, that doesn't sound creepy at all, but okay, let's go. Bum 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 bum. I'll click. Everybody did that. Don't even do it. I'll click it. Once it clicks, ooh, bad things happen. Oh!
What's up with the chair?
I don't know. Let's see what's in here. Alright, let's do it. What?
Balloon.
Balloony!
Doors face
Let's see
action.
the door.